Let we start with simple linear regression. At the end of this tutorial, learner will able to know how to create desired column or feature with given financial data. First thing, we need to make sure whether we have scikit-learn, pandas and quandl. For that, open Anaconda prompt, type pip install pandas. Pandas is a software library written for data manipulation and analysis. Type pip install quandl. Quandl is a single user-friendly platform for financial and economic datasets from hundreds of publishers. Type pip install scikit-learn. It is a machine learning library with various classification, regression and clusters algorithms. Once we have all those, we can go to simple linear regression. Let we move to stock rises. Go to Jupyter Notebook and type import pandas as PD. Import quandl. df is data frame equal to quandl.get. We are going to get information from quandl account. At top of left, search stuff like Google stock. Go to free here, and I am going to take financial industry from here. At right top, we get the data from quandl code. Just copy it and paste it in quandl.get. Then we can simply print this by printdf.head. Run the file to get the information of data. We can see basically each column in the data. It consists of features like short volume, short exempt volume and total volume. We just bring or define the features in data by typing df equals df open square bracket and just copy the label in the above data. That will minimize our error while running command. Here I copied short volume, short exempt volume and total volume. Let we define the special relationship given in features df new column is short underscore int underscore ratio is equal to df open square bracket short volume divided by total volume. This will bring the new ratio among the short volume and total volume. Now we are going to call the data frame mentioned as special feature above by just df is equal to df and just copy short underscore int underscore ratio and paste it here. Then just type printdf.head to show the new feature of the given financial data. Wow! We get the new required data. We will meet again with new tutorial in Python. Bye for now.